Hello everyone, I'm Naribi. I'm the Global Product Manager from the Robotics product team here in Germany. We understand how critical uptime is for our customers. Even a small issue like a ruptured corrugated tube can bring production to a stop. And unexpected program changes, for example, might not halt the line, but they can quietly affect product quality. And this is where careDP comes in. Unplanned downtime is one of the biggest hidden costs in manufacturing. The tricky part is most disruptions start small. They often completely invisible and until it is too late. Our goal is simple. Detect early signs, alert teams in time, and help them act before failures happen. So careDP uses AI to monitor robot motion and detect anomalies. For example, like a ripped corrugated tube or an unplanned program change before they lead to a downtime or quality issues. And because it operates independently from customer networks, this is easy to deploy and it is highly secure. So here's how it works. The sensor learns each robot's movement during a learning phase. Then it switches to a real-time monitoring. If anything looks off, careDP then sends alert to the dashboard, your mobile app, or email, so then the team can act fast. But see it for yourself. We've created a short video that shows how careDP works, including its key features and benefits in action. Thank you.